Okay, so now that the system is allocating materials, checking it against our inventory, and telling us exactly what we need to purchase, let's go ahead and create a PO and order these items from our vendor. So to get to this page, we are under Supplies, Checkout, Order. Now the system has automatically figured out everything we need to order. It's telling us the location, it's giving us the item name, the piece size, and how much we need to order today. If you have questions about these, you can click on them and it will take you to the supply page. Additionally, you can click on the drop down to see which orders are requesting these items, and even click on those to see more details. It takes you to the resource allocation tab, and you can wander around inside the order to see what's going on. So creating a PO is easy. You can do it in batches or one at a time. Let's say we want to do all of these except that one. You simply click the boxes and add purchase order. So in this screen, the purchase order is being created. So what it has done is it's grouped by vendor all of the items you want to purchase. So we see we have a purchase order going to 123 Warehousing, and another one going to Acme Corp. Now, Acme Corp is getting 3 items, Warehousing is getting just the 1. It's automatically allocating these items to these companies based on the preferred vendor. But let's say this time you want to choose a different company to fulfill this one. You can go ahead and change it just like that. And you can see that it's giving you the contact information in case you need to call them, but it's automatically creating an email to the designated email address for this company, addressed to the right person, and laying out everything your vendor needs to fulfill this with success. Additionally, we're actually auditing every time we order. We're making sure the prices are current. We're putting the ball in their court by telling them this is the price we have. If there are any adjustments, you need to contact us immediately. And then of course you can add comments if you need to. So the system will send an email to these guys for this, and another email to these guys for this. Of course, if you didn't want to send an email, you could just uncheck this and call them. Additionally, if you need to order something extra outside of what the system is telling you, which I don't always recommend, you can go ahead and select something and it will add it to the purchase order. Pushing the blue button sends it, and we got the confirmation here that it was carried out, and we can see that our materials in there are now on order, awaiting arrival. We know exactly when we ordered them, where they're going, and everything we need to know about this item, including exactly which orders need this item. If the vendor sends a partial shipment, just tell the system how much you actually received, and it will update it. As soon as you've received the full amount, it'll take it off the list. And keep in mind, it's also updating the quantity on hand in the background. So go ahead and try this out with a couple of your vendors. Place some orders and see just how quickly the system can manage itself.